They're pissed. I think they're hungry because they cannot.
Ajá.
Y aquí estamos en Geroland dándoles todavía de comer a los pájaros. Que están hambrientos. Wait, let me get more because
Before they start digging through meat.
you can stop in my name.